Yun din nangyari sa akin last time. All right, meeting is now streaming live on Facebook. Okay.
Okay. Here we go. Eto na, totoo na to. Mabuhay, Philippines! From Quezon City, I am Roslyn Villan Reyes. Bumabati sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi. At sa mga kababayan natin sa mga lupalop ng mundo, magandang araw sa ating lahat. Katatapos lang po ng Pasko, kaya marami pa sa atin ang medyo still in the mood. But then again, we still have a few days to go before the year ends. Kaya we still have time to namnamin anuman ang mga mag-reflect ba kung ano yung mga naging kaganapan sa atin itong taon na ito. So many challenges, but then again, the blessings of the Lord is more than what we have encountered in our lives this year. Kaya nga po, patuloy po tayo na nagbibigay po ng hope for sa mga kababayan po natin, sa mga marami pong pinagdaanan, lahat pa tayo, ganun po ang nangyari sa atin. It's worldwide. Kaya po, ako po ay nandito ngayon na mag-share po sa inyo ng overview namin sa company. Okay po? Yeah. So, I am a registered nurse by profession, but I am now working as a housewife, and I'm happy that I can do yung duties ko as a wife, and at the same time, seeing to it that the needs of the family are being met. Okay. Di ba po, pag may karamihan sa atin, pag may mga birthdays, tatanungin, oh, anong birthday wish mo? Ano yung mga common na wish natin, di ba? Kalusugan ng pamilya namin, malayo kami sa sakit, di ba? So, sa atin po, tatlong bagay po talaga ang hinahangad ng mga tao. Okay? Una po ay ang kalusugan ng pamilya. Bawat isa po sa atin, yun talagang hinahanap at hinahangad natin. We want better health, and we also have, alam mo yun, yung meron ka pang extra income. Tama? Diba? Hindi naman kailangan sobra-sobra, but just enough para mapunan yung mga pangangailangan natin. We can go traveling and do some things that we want to do, and the time freedom. Yung hindi ka nakatali lagi sa work mo, para bang kulang na kulang yung 24 hours. Pwede bang 25 hours, 26 hours? But we want more time to ourselves and to have time with our family. Okay? So ito po yung tatlong bagay na hinahanap-hanap po natin. Pero karamihan po sa atin, ang problema po talaga ay ang financial. Di ba po? Parang lagi na lang kinakapos. Parang dumaan lang yung pera. Okay? Parang, alam mo yung ganong reaction, di ba? Pero, that's a common problem. Okay, but we here in Valentus, we want to share with you ano ba yung mga naging experience po namin, our journey in this company. But what is Valentus ba? It is a network marketing po siya. Okay? I am proud to be a network marketer. Now, dati ayaw ko po siya. Bakit nga ba? Okay, it's a very big market po. Napakalaking pong marketing ang networking, right? Okay, although marami po sa atin ay parang skeptical agad pag narinig ang networking. But you know guys, ito po ay napakalaking market. I-compare natin sa iba. Music industry, movie industry, the video gaming, the slide shows that it is far beyond 189 billion dollars po na market po ito. And lalo po siyang lumaki ngayong nagkaroon ng pandemya kasi lahat ng mga tao nasa online, di ba po? Actually, yung mga biglang nagkakaroon ng business, tapos biglang may magma-message sa'yo, uy, i-like mo naman yung page ko. Okay? And then we try to pag friends natin, we try to share it to other friends, to mga kakilala natin. They are leveraging our friends, your friends. So that essentially is what networking is all about. Okay? Now, okay. Dito po sa company, hindi po ninyo makikita na naka-advertise, right? Sa TV o sa mga billboards. Kasi po, our CEO believes na yung instead na mamuhunan ka sa mga celebrity, ibibigay na lang niya sa kanyang mga distributors. Okay? So, that makes sense, correct? Kasi tayo po, you use the product, we use the product, we experience the results, and no better person can be a good endorser of your product but yourself. Ourselves, right? We are the product of our own products. So that's the idea of networking in the company. How kung paano po na ang mga distributor ay talagang napakalaki po ng gain dito. I-compare po natin ang networking sa traditional business. Okay? Napakalaki po ng kailangan mong puhunan. Limited lang po yung income opportunity. And marami kang kailangang isipin. Maganda ba yung pwesto mo? Nadadaanan ba siya? Accessible ba siya? Isipin mo pa yung mga insurance, yung real estate, yung mag-employ ka pa, yung accounting, the marketing and shipping, the handling of your products, napakalaki nga po ng risk dito. And also yung growth, the personality development as well as other potentials is really limited as compared to network marketing. Here in our company, instead na mamuhunan ka ng libo as in, you only get to pay 1,000 pesos or $20 po. Okay? Sa conversion na sa dollars. $20 lang and meron ka ng sariling business or 1,000 pesos po equivalent. But the good news here in the Philippines is naka-waive po yung 1,000 po na yon. Oh, di ba? And with only that, meron ka ng pag you decided to be an independent representative, once na nag-enroll ka, magkakaroon ka na ng sarili mo, as in sarili mo, within seconds, pagka-click, you will have your own 7 websites. Research and development about the products, hindi mo na siya poproblemahin kasi problema na ng company yon. And they are investing so much in research and development. They keep on improving the product and looking for other ways to help in the weight wellness management ng mga tao. The accounting and pay commissions, bahala na po ang company doon. Unlimited income potential. So, depende po yan kung paano mo bubuhusan ng panahon ng iyong business, di ba? Kung hindi ka masyadong gagalaw, di nakita. Pero kung talagang porsigido ka, you are really on fire. The company sees the product, yung production mo, at talagang tatapatan talaga nila yan. They will really pay you and pay you well. Shipping and handling, no problem. You just let your customer or your buy products through your website at yun na po, bahala na po ang company. Papadala po yan sa address na kung saan gusto nila ipapaship ang mga products. The marketing materials, sobrang ganda po. And hindi mo na kailangang mag-isip pa. Siguro konting diskarte lang, but the thing is, everything's already provided for ng company. Talagang pinag-isipan po. Okay? Ngayon po, pag mag-isip ka ng company, or any company for that matter, 5 elements po ang usually na kailangan mong pagtuunan ng pansin. Credible ba yung company? Stable ba siya? Yung mga products ba talagang beneficial? Makakatulong ba talaga sa iyo? And one time lang ba ito or pwedeng maintenance mo? In terms of commission, are you being paid well? Di ba? Kasi siyempre, alam mo, puro buhos ka ng panahon mo, tapos hindi ka naman pala nababayaran ng tama. Di ba maraming ganun nangyayari? Talagang pagod na pagod yung mga empleyado and they only, kakapiranggot na po ang natatanggap nilang sahod. Not here in Valentus. The training and support, na mamili ka. You just have to plug in. Kailangan mo lang gumawa ng listahan ng mga webinar, mga company calls. You just have to join para doon ka matututo. Ang kagandahan po nito, puro tayo online. Hindi na kailangan ng on-site. Di ba? Mas magastos po yun. Ibibihis ka pa. Dito, kahit sa pataas lang yung bihis mo, okay ka na. Okay, the training support, yung mga uplines natin, you just give them a call. If you need help, if you have questions, they're willing to help. Timing and trending, this is the right time. Okay, the company is so strong and we're opening up like warehouses, manufacturing plants soon to open here in the Philippines. Sa ganitong panahon, opening ilan na ba yung nagbubukas? We have Australia, we have UK, Germany, nag-open na rin. So, isipin mo, ang galing naman ng company na ito. Kung sa panahon na kung saan maraming mga company na nagsasara or nahihirapan, the company is opening up para tayong kabuti. Nagma-mushroom ang mga warehouses. So that only means that the company is really strong and stable. If for 2021, you are planning, you are thinking of a business that you want to join in, this is the right time for you to join. At marami pa pong promo na nag-iintay po sa inyo at sa lahat ng mga distributors po. Ganon po mag-isip ang CEO ng Valentus. Ito po, Dave and Joyce Jordan, sila po yung CEO ng company po namin. Valentus. Why Valentus? It means prevail in Latin. Valentus po talaga, it was launched only in July 2014 and backed up by millions in capital. Ang pinaka home office po is sa US po, sa Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Nang tinatagpo ang company, it is 100% debt-free. And now, sa loob ng 6 years, there's over 200 million in total revenue. So dun pa lang, in 6 years, it only means one thing. This is a very good and stable company. And ang kagandahan po dito sa company to, nakalagay po dyan, the sixth element is the culture. Ang kultura dito sa loob ng company. Ngayon, bakit nga ba ang mga products dito is mga weight loss na mga products? Wait. Nagsisimula pa lang po tayo. Kasi, isipin niyo po ngayong panahon, marami po talaga nakakaproblema sa timbang. Okay? Pero ang mga weight loss programs, una po, mahirap sundan, or siguro sa simula, pero mahirap siyang panatilihin. Magastos. Tama. Kasi marami ka pang kailangang i-hire, pati yung competition ng food and ng whatever. It's complicated. At yun nga po mahirap talagang mag-comply. Sa simula lang siguro, pero kalaunan parang nakakatamad na. Di ba? Okay? Ngayon, bakit nga ba kape? Why not coffee? Marami po talaga ang coffee is life. Ngayon, the company is so, alam mo yun, the genius in the product. Diba? Total, nagkakape ka rin lang. Nag-infuse ng mga ingredients, all natural vegan ingredients na makakatulong para mabawasan ng timbang. Oh, di ba? So easy. So easy to maintain, to gain that alindog na katawan, mabawasan ng timbang through coffee. And if you're not a coffee drinker, meron pong Optimum Cocoa dito sa Philippines. So far, ito pa lang. But wait, konting tiis na lang. Magkakaroon na tayo soon. Lahat ng mga products na available sa US, magiging available din soon sa Philippines. Okay? But we're not just coffee and cocoa, okay? And we are a family of weight management products. Okay? So, it controls appetite, it regulates sugar, fat absorption, thermogenic effect, at saka nakaka-focus po talaga kung ikaw yung tipong medyo down, depressed ng konti, it was infused sa mga products to really elevate the mood kasi neurologic po ang approach ng weight management. It was infused with powerful antioxidant, promotes ketogenesis, nga po, the brain and the stomach connection is being supported sa mga products. Okay? So, kung hindi ka naman mahilig masyado nga sa kape or palainom sa umaga ng beverage, okay, this product has just been launched, the Thermopert. Last ano lang po ito, August. Okay, again, in capsule form, maganda po siya at least in combo with the coffee. So 30 minutes after the pert, you drink your coffee and boom, you're good to go. You will last the day, the energy is there, and hindi mo na mamalayan, galaw ka ng galaw and you're losing weight. Diba? It's dairy-free, weight loss booster, no GMO, no sugar. So may konting caffeine, but it's good to help boost yung focus po natin. This is a very genius product po na bago lang po na ni-launch sa company. Okay, another new product is the NCD, okay, cellular detox. So, kailangan po tayong mag-detox sa dami po ng mga chemicals around us, yung mga hard elements, yung mga positively charged, blah, blah, blah. Okay, nakakatulong po siya para ma-detoxify ang katawan natin. Okay? Bago rin lang po itong na-launch. Ngayon, kailangan din po ang ating bitukang, ating intestines po ay talagang regular po na nalilinis, nakikleanse. Okay? So, we have also the tea form, the Vitox, Vitox, detox tea po siya. Masarap po siya as compared to yung ibang mga tea na natikman po. And yes, wagas. Wagas po talaga ang elimination po the following day. So, alam mo yung ramdam mo talaga, lalo na ngayon, ang dami na ating kinain at marami pa tayong kakainin for New Year. We really need this product to really, para ma-detox, ma-cleanse ang ating intestines for better absorption ng nutrients and other products po na meron ng company. Okay? Now, kung ikaw naman yung tipong juice lang, okay, instead na you go for yung mga power drinks, go for the Prevail Energy and the Boost. Napaka-ina po, naka-sachet form, just add sa water, you can drink it cold or hot, and you're good to go in juice form. Lahat po, masarap po ang panlasa dito, okay? And they taste so good. Ako, sobrang boto ako sa mga lasa, lalo ng Immune Boost. We also have the Prevail Max, which is very good to improve blood flow sa katawan. Mas maganda ang oxygen distribution sa ating katawan. It gives you more focus and energy, pati absorption, circulation sa katawan. If you have crampy legs, makakatulong po siya. And if you have burns, kunwari, you can spray it direct. This product is being usually sprayed under the tongue po. 4 sprays 3 times a day to help. But kung may pwede na siyang applied topically. Maganda po siya parang first aid po na product. Okay, this is an example for that. Okay? Na burn po siya. Okay? So ito po, we also have skincare product. Instant Youth, Instant Botox po siya. So makikita sa picture, yung original na cleaned lang siya, and then pagka-apply ng Instant Youth, nakikita niyo, nababawasan yung mga wrinkles. Ayun, parang nabawasan ng 10 years sa mukha natin. Okay? Maganda po siya na product, and if you have somewhere to go, party, although ngayon medyo hindi masyado, but this is a very good product. Okay. Another one is the Prevail More Detox. So, kailangan din po ng katawan po natin na regular po na detoxify. It's filled with activated charcoal, carbon 60, which is very potent, more potent than vitamin C. Vegan formula po, it's alkaline po. Nakaka-alkaline po siya ng tubig. So, pinapatak lang po siya sa tubig. It's called parang black water, but tasteless, odorless. Just think of it as parang black water. Tubig lang po talaga siya. But nakakatulong para yung kung mayroon ka pang sikmura, malaking tulong po ito. Okay? And yes, this is the product that I so love, the Emulene. Ang dami pa po nilang, marami po siyang nagagawa sa katawan natin. But guys, this product, ano lang naman siya, because of it, na-nominate for the second time si Dr. Joseph Arens sa sa Nobel Prize. Di ba? Ganun lang naman siya kasimpleng product. Pero what I'm just saying, if this catapulted or brought Dr. Arens the second time as a Nobel Prize nominee, that only means that this product is effective. And yes, it is effective, especially in controlling carbohydrates and blood sugar. If you are diabetic, or if you have increased high sugar problem, malaking tulong po siya. So we have the Emulin M and the Emulin C. If you are have problems in blood sugar or hypertension, go for Emulin C. Otherwise, go for Emulin M for maintenance. So pwede po siya from babies hanggang sa pagtanda. Malaking tulong po siya. Kung ito po na-discover like 50 years ago, it would have been considered as vitamin, katulad ng mga multivites na meron po sa market. But then again, this it was 2013 lang yata siya na napakilala sa mundo. But then again, I'm telling you, napakalaki po at marami pa siyang potential na magagawa sa katawan natin because it really helps the body repair and improve itself. Alright? Ngayon, as nabanggit ko po kanina, this is the right time to join the company. Kasi po, umuusbong po talaga ang company. If other companies are closing down, not Valentus, it's open up. Parang kabuti, sabi ko nga po kanina. And more pa to come. So, this is the time, lalo na po ngayon, naka-waive po yung 1,000 na affiliation fee, registration fee dito po sa Pilipinas. So, sa halagang 1,000 or naka-waive pa, ngayon po ang tamang pagkakataon para mag-join. So, if you do consider joining the company, balikan niyo po yung nag-invite po sa inyo, okay? Next, generous ang company. Generous po talaga ang company. There are 7 profit centers because nabanggit ko po kanina, di ba? Si Dave and Joyce Arens, they are distributors. Dati po sila, especially Dave Jordan, he is very good. And talagang, ang puso po niya talaga is pro-distributor. Kaya nung ginawa po niya yung company, talagang yung incentive, talagang nakafocus po siya sa mga distributors. Okay, what are the 7 profit centers ba na meron? Okay, katulad ng iba, halimbawa, may product ka, binibenta mo, may kita ka, syempre may patong ka. Ganon din po. So, pag may bumili sa'yo, may ano ka na doon, may commission ka na doon. Okay? Ngayon, meron din yung fast start bonus. Pangalawa po, pag bumili sila sa website mo, may mga points po yan. So, bahala na po si company. So, accounting-wise, wala ka na kailangang problemahin. Maganda po yung sistema sa company in terms of commission. Makikita po ng computer kung may nag-order sa'yo. Actually, magugulat ka na lang, ha? May pumasok. Okay? So, pangatlo, legacy coded bonus. Okay, kung halimbawa, may mga ranking po sa company, okay? Medyo technical po masyado ang explanation sa compensation plan, but I'll just give you an overview. If you really are interested in knowing ano yung details po dito, I suggest go to the person who invited you sa webinar na ito. And the legacy coded, again, if you are a Ruby, rank na Ruby, tapos may nag-join under you to be your business partners also as Ruby, yung first, second, and third, yung pang-apat mo, okay, yung first, second, and third, babayaran ka na ng $100. The succeeding fourth and infinity, $200 na ang matatanggap mong commission dito lang sa legacy coded. Legacy coded lang yon. Okay, paano na yung retail mo? Paano pa yung fast start na kinita mo? Okay, so 3. Yung pang-apat, okay, just to, yung pang-apat tsaka pang-5, yung dual team commission and dual team matching. Okay, ano po ito? Yun yung kagandahan dito eh. Kasi parang, para kayong tandem. Hindi lang tandem, grupo pa kayo na nagtatrabaho. Hindi lang pwede yung isa lang ang nagkumakayod. Pag grupo kayo nagtutulong-tulong, makikita nyo lahat umaangat. So, actually, kita po ng company yun. Kita ng computer yun. Yung points na pumapasok, at yung mga products na nabibili through you, through those under you, and may mga matching po silang ginagawa. Medyo detalyado, but then again, ang ganda ng compensation dito. Tatapatan po talaga ni Valentus yung effort mo individually and effort nyo as a group. And take note ha, yung first, second, third to the fifth, you will get paid weekly. Di ba? Ang saya, hindi tayo kinsenas sa katapusan na kung magsweldo. Every week po siya na meron kang matatanggap na sweldo. Ngayon, yung pang-anim is yung 1% global volume share enrollment pool. Parang highfalutin, no? Isa lang ibig sabihin nun. Kung pumasok ka sa company, kumbaga, kakastart mo pa lang, tapos meron kang interesadong friends na gustong mag-join din sa'yo as Ruby Pack, na nag-avail ng Ruby, at 3 ang nai-enroll mo for the month, in 1 month frame, 1 month time frame, you'll be entitled sa global pool share. Usually sa ibang mga company, yung mga matatas na ranggo lang ang entitled or qualified dun sa global pool share. Dito po hindi. Kahit bago ka lang, kahit isang product pa lang yung kaka-enter mo, yun ang parang entry level mo, pag meron kang naipasok under you with as Ruby na 3, qualified ka na. At madadagdagan yun sa kikitain mo for the month. Okay? Ito monthly po ang bayad dito, ang commission mo. And ang pang-7 po, yung car bonus. Okay? If you are diamond rank and up, meron pa tatapatan din ang company na car bonus. Oh, di ba ang saya? May, kung dati pangarap mo lang, kahit nga lang motor lang ngayon kotse po. Pwede na magkaroon ng kotse. $400 monthly, starting with the diamond rank pa lang. And as you go up the ranking, tataas din po yung bibigyan na commission sa iyo ng company monthly. Ang saya, di ba? So, first 5, weekly ang commission na matatanggap mo. And then yung 6 and 7, monthly add-on. Di ba? Ang saya. Okay. And hindi lang po nakalagay dito, pero at the end of the year, if you na-attain mo yung triple diamond na rank, meron pong 1 month vacation free, lahat po sagot ng company sa Bahamas lang naman. Okay? Kasi gusto ni CEO na lahat po ay mag-enjoy, na walang isipin na business or ano, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Okay, so with that, ito lang po, no, sa ibang company kasi, kumbaga nakahanda na yung mga kit, yung mga packages. Dito po, with only $20, as I said kanina, or 1,000 pesos na affiliation, parang registration fee, pwede kang bumili ng ng laman ng tindahan mo. We can start with only 1 item of your choice. Or we can start with 3 or 6 or 16 or 36. Again, your choice. Pwede kang mamili ng gusto mong product. Unlike yung iba na talagang hindi ka makapamili. Kung ba nakaset na siya. Not here. You have your choice, and even with only 1 product to start, pwede ka nang umarangkada sa iyong business kasi you already have your website. Okay? Provided na po yun. But dito po, if you can, kung kaya mo rin lang naman, kung meron kang puhunan or may natanggap ka for 13th month, instead na igastos mo sa iba, puhunan mo dito. And you can start with a business builder pack. Kasi with the business builder pack, marami ka ng items na nakuha at kumbaga, ang lalabasan nun, mas mura per item. Okay? So, and with that, I just want to, okay, dito po, I just want to, we have our guest kasi essentially that's yung brief overview ng company, the products, the compensation, and para po, we have invited some guests who will share with us yung kanilang testimony sa products and sa company. I will be calling yung bagong gising lang, pero hindi halatang bagong gising. All the, all the way from US, Florida, USA, Ate Tere, Miss Teresa Garcia, an Emerald Executive from the US. Good morning, Ate. Yeah, I
Good
can
morning.
hear you. The floor is yours. Share with us your testimony. We're so excited to hear it.
Okay. Hello, everybody. Good evening, Philippines. I don't know. I don't see myself. Morning here in Florida, USA. First of all, I would like to thank Jonaline and Roslyn for inviting me on this webinar and giving me the opportunity to share my story to you guys. A little bit background about myself. Yeah, that's me. A little bit background about myself. My name is Tess. I am a single mom. I have a 22-year-old daughter. She's in college now. I was originally from Luzon region in Bulacan, Philippines before I migrated here in US. I also came from a big family. I was actually the 10th child, second to the youngest. And growing up back then, we have financial hardship. It was a struggle growing up. I remember back then, during those times, we don't even have 3 meals a day. You know, sometimes we only had 2 meals, 1 meal a day. And during those time, oftentimes we don't even have rice with it. You know how it is in the Philippines when we eat together with rice, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So I was really proud of my mom because she was very resourceful. She would just plant potatoes or banana in our backyard to substitute that with rice because we don't have money to buy rice on those meals. And also, I remember when I was going to school, especially in high school, I don't even have transportation money or snack money, you know, to pay the jeepney or tricycle to ride that to go from your home to school. So what I do, I wake up really early and start walking because I want to go to school. And going back to, I was walking. So it was really tough that times. Because most of the times I'm late, and during my first class, I'm already tired because of the long walk, you know. And also, you know, how it is during recess or lunch break, where students goes to the cafeteria or canteen. What I do, I would just go to the library and just read a book just to forget about my hunger. So it was really tough back then. And um, it wasn't all that bad because, you know, that experience really gave me a vision, and it made me strong. And because the hardship sometimes it wasn't that bad because it molds you on your outlook in life. And I set a goal that I'm not gonna do that to my family, my own family. I'm gonna be able to provide. I want to make sure my kid is well provided. So anyway, going back in the 80s, my mom, she was able to migrate here in the US, and she was able to support me in college financially. I was actually an Adamsonian alumni. I graduated with a BS degree in computer engineering in Adamson University, Manila, batch 92. And since then, I've been working in the IT industry until now. Right now, I work as an IT senior admin in a corporate company here in Florida. And I also have a small traditional business on the side. Now, working in IT industry also had its challenges. sometimes you barely had time for yourself, and I have no social life, because my life evolves in homework, and even when I'm at work, all I deal with is computer. So I don't see people. That's how my life is, and it was so stressful because I rarely had time for myself, for my daughter or my family, because I've been working so hard, and whenever I'm off, I work on my small traditional business. So it really that took a toll on me, and I gained so much weight because of that stress. Me not being able to take care of myself, and it was so hard to lose weight back then. That was like 2018 and prior, and as you can see from my picture back there in the screen, I was really I gained so much weight, and I tried almost everything. I go to the gym regularly. I even tried diet. I even removed rice from my meal. I eat salad at lunch, and to my I even ordered diet pills online because I was so desperate, but I just threw it the next day because that diet pills just gave me a severe headache. So fortunately, in 2017, I met Eleanor Barriento. She's my upline. We met in Canada. And in 2018, I believe that was around May of 2018, she reached out to me and reconnect again. And she was so excited and share me the coffee in Balantus, the Optimum coffee. And she knows I was struggling to lose weight back then. And being stubborn that I am, like what Jonathan said, generally people, when they hear about network marketing, they would just say no, and I was the same way. I didn't have an open mindset. So when she introduced me the Valentus, and I learned it was the network marketing, even though I'm so desperate to lose weight, I tried to avoid her. That's how close-minded I am back then. I am so stubborn. I said, no, it's okay. I'm just gonna do it my own way, which is not really working, So I tried to avoid her. She's been reaching out to me. And it took me a few months before I opened up because I said, this is not really working. So why not? And that was in October when I finally decided to place an order of the Optimum. I ordered the tumbler, which lasts you for 30 days. And to my amazement, in just 2 weeks, I lost a total of 7 pounds, and doing it in a daily basis, twice a day. And then by the end of 30 days, I lost 15 pounds. Oh my God, it was so unreal. I was so excited. All those time, those challenges, I've been struggling to lose weight. I work hard in the gym, and I can't even lose a pound. And with our coffee, in just 30 days, that's how much weight I lost. And it really excited me. And I was sharing it, and even my close friend and my coworkers, they noticed that I've been losing weight, and they start asking me what I'm doing. And oh my God, Rosaline, where did you get that? But anyway, yeah, so I told Eleanor, hey, my friends, they want to try the coffee too. So Eleanor told me about the business builder. You can also make money just by sharing the products, I said, oh yeah, why not? So I signed up as a Ruby back then. And I was able to build a small team, not just here in the US, but globally. I have a team in Canada, in Asia, in Japan, even in the Philippines. But that time so I grew a team, and I was happy. But the problem is I wasn't very consistent. My focus is not more on the Valentus business, but more in my full-time job in IT and my traditional business. So gradually I lose most of my downline, my team, and I think I can probably relate to some of the B family that not very consistent with this business. So I was very grateful that I attended the GoPro event not too long ago, because it awakens me again about network marketing industry. All this time I've been focusing more on the other thing other than this business. So like what Trent Shelton says, in this industry, you know, people that start with you may not finish with you in this business. And the path is lonely, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's not the correct path for you, you know. So, and also people that had your back, your close friend, even your own family, sometimes they may turn their back on you. But it's not necessarily mean that if they stop believing in you, that you will stop believing in yourself. If they gave up on you, do not give up on yourself, because you know the pain is temporary, but giving up, that's forever. You will regret that. So, and this company, the culture is so amazing. Family, the one that Jonalyn was mentioning on her presentation, and that was real. That was true, you know, because our uplines, Giselle, I'm so appreciative of Giselle. She's very supportive. Our leaders, Dr. Chi, and even other leaders and even other B family from other team, you can just reach out to them and they don't care. They will just help you instantly. That's how our culture is in this industry. Everybody wants to help everybody to succeed, because if you able to help somebody, they become successful, you become successful yourself. And you don't see that in corporate world, you know, when you try to in corporate industry, when you try to help somebody, train somebody, show them your work, and they're gonna try to take your job from you. I know it's the reality, you know, but in this business, where can you find a business that when you help somebody become successful, you become successful too? And it was such a great feeling, you know, when they are grateful for what you've done to them, you touch their lives. So um, like I'm gonna go back with Trent Shelton again because he's like my favorite speaker right now. He also said, you did not come here in this lifetime just to settle. You come here in this lifetime to become someone greater. And I truly believe in that. What we think about life, it's not just, we're not here just to settle, you know. Once we attain our degree, we have a nice house, we're happy. But, you know, I think life is more than that. Only if we believe in ourselves. It starts within ourselves, you know, because once we have that in us, it will reflect from the inside and out, and people will see your passion. You speak from your heart, and we truly have a product that can touch lives in here, that can help them not just on their well-being but also financially. So with that, I hope I share something of value with you guys. And again, thank you very much, Jonalyn and Roslyn, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Ate, so much.
Yeah.
Nakakatuwa. I mean, paano ba yan, Pinto? Sorry. Okay. So, yeah, na-relate po kami, ako personally, sa yung journey. Kasi talagang, alam mo, regardless of status in life, lahat po tayo dumaan po sa hirap. Lalo na po
Yeah.
itong pandemya na po ito. So, kanya-kanya tayo ng MMK na mga kwento. Pero, yung tatlong bagay na binanggit ko kanina is true to all. We all want better health. We want to have more time, freedom, and yes, we do need money. So lahat po yan, kay mayaman ka, mahirap, yun talaga pangarap natin. But the thing is, ang pangarap po ay pwede pong magkatotoo dito sa company natin. Now with that, thank you, Ate Tess. Yes, you woke up like this, you woke up pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Sa mga bagong dati po, si Ate Tess po nasa US po siya. So, it's like 7 a.m., no? Mag-8
Yeah.
morning.
Yeah.
Bagong gising po yan. Anyway, so Ate Tess, thank you, Mama. Again, thank you for accepting our invitation. And now, going back to the Philippines, the beauty from Lawag. Okay, Madel, calling Madel from
Hello.
Lawag City. Okay.
Na. Hello?
Yan. Yay.
Okay, naririnig ako.
Yes.
Hi everyone. Galing ako sa labas kasi yung anak ko umiiyak. Pinapatahan ko sobrang ano. So, gusto kong munang magpakilala sa inyo. Anyway, I am Madeline Bongola, double diamond here in Philippines. Originally from Bohol, Boholana, Bisaya, pero andito ako ngayon sa Lawag, Ilocos Norte kasi dito ako buo ng family. Bale, itong nakikita niyo sa screen, yan yung first Valentos journey ko. Dating 72 kilos. Then, after 8 weeks, nag-lose ako ng 12 kilos. Ganyan. Sobrang amazing yung coffee. 1 week pa lang akong user ng coffee, nag-decide na akong mag-sign up as a independent representative. Ruby agad yung kinuha ko. That time, wala akong puhunan. Sabi ko, ito na lang kayang credit card ko, tapos pag mabenta ko yung coffee, ibabayad ko agad-agad. Yung ano, kasi kinukwenta ko, kasi yung Ruby Pop, pag mabenta mo yung 16 canister, may 20,000 ka na agad na income. So, sabi ko, bakit sobrang laki, 3.5, kaya ko kayang ibenta to. Ganun kasi talaga yung usually parang doubt kapag yung sa mga prospect natin, nagdadalawang isip silang mag-member kasi baka hindi mabenta yung coffee kasi sobrang mahal siya, 3.5. Pero nung nag-sign up ako ng Ruby Pack, hindi pa dumating yung products ko. Sold out na siya. Ganon ka. Kasi nakikita nila yung changes sa sarili ko. Kahit pumunta ako sa palengke, napapansin nila kasi halos everyday akong pumupunta. Tapos biglang pagbalik, so pumayat na. Tapos tinatanong nila, oy, anong iniinom mo? Bakit ganyan? Bakit pumayat ka ng ganyan? May sakit ka ba? Sabi nila. Sabi ko, wala noon. May iniinom akong coffee. Sabi noon. Tapos yung iba, ina-add ko sila sa Facebook, mga bagong kakilala. Tapos nag-avail sila ng coffee, ganyan. Yan talaga yung dapat pag nagbebenta tayo ng products. Una nating parang i-model yung sarili natin. Dapat may disiplina din tayo sa sarili natin. Bale, yun nga, yung after noon ng 8 weeks na pumayat ako, itong nasa picture na to, ito yung second Valentos journey ko. After naman doon sa bunso kong anak. Kasi after nung nanganak ako, tumaba ulit. So, nag-coffee ulit nung after ako mag-breastfeed. Ito yung second Valentos journey ko. Umabot ako ng 75 kilos. Tapos, itong next page, ngayon, nasa nag-lose ako ng 9 kilos. Nasa 66 kilos na ako ngayon. So, talagang dalawang beses ko nang napatunayan sa sarili ko kung gaano ka-effective talaga yung products natin. So, nag-member ako sa Valentos noong February 21 last year. Ginol ko talaga sa sarili ko na mag-legacy coded in 1 week. So, naging legacy coded ako. After 1 week lang, as in finocus ko talagang mag-invite. Pumunta ako doon sa mga ukay-ukayan. Doon ako nakakuha ng IR ko. Then, yung mga kumpare, doon ina-approach ko sila, pinapatry ko sa coffee, then nagustuhan nila. Sabi ko, bakit di ka na lang mag-member? Kasi yun talaga yung unang approach Para makamura ka sa product, mag-member ka na lang. Ganun yung unang approach ko. Kasi nag-focus pa ako sa nag-focus pa ako sa retail that time. Pero goal ko, mag-legacy coded ako before matapos yung buwan kasi February 21 ako nag-enroll, then bago matapos ang buwan nakuha ko talaga yung goal ko. Then mga May structured emerald ako, June naging diamond, na hindi ko inaasahan paano ba na maging diamond halos wala masyadong mga kakilala. Tapos hindi ko alam kung saan ko hahanapin yun bang katulad kong may parang masipag na parang i-promote yung products, masipag mag-invite, ganyan. Pero sa awa ng Diyos, dumating yung nakapag-invite ako from my team Cebu, sila Gina Kimpan na masipag din. Meron din akong IR sa iba't ibang bansa na nag-expand na yung team ko. Meron ng Europe, Taiwan, Brunei, Thailand, US, Canada. Sobrang lumaki na yung team ko hanggang sa naging double diamond ako noong August.
Wow.
Sobrang laki ng papasalamat ko kasi kahit buntis ako, sobrang laki ng tiyan ko. Minsan pumupunta ako sa bangko, bibili ng credit wallet, umiiyak ako kasi na-banned na ako, ayaw akong pagsendin ng pera kasi milyon na daw yung pinapasok ko doon sa bangko. Kasi kasi nagpapadala ako kay Ma'am Jen, nagpapadala ako kay Ma'am Rielo, sila yung nagsusupply ng credit wallet sa akin. Sabi ganoon, Ma'am, magkano ba yung utang mo sa US? Bakit halos every week ka andito? Sabi ganoon. Tapos sabi ko, hindi Ma'am, kasi may business kasi kami dito sa Philippines. Hindi naman pwede ding sabihin kung kasi madaming papeles na hahanapin, gano'n. So, sinabi ko na may utang ako kay Ma'am Jen tsaka kay Ma'am Rialo. So, ang nangyari, after ko doon sa BDO, punta na naman ako sa ibang bangko, na naman, hanggang sa hindi na talaga pwede, nag-Western Union na lang. Ganon, buntis pa ako noon. As in, sobrang stress na yung isang ang teller ngayon naging member na dito sa Valentos. Yung hobby niya, si Kuya Limuel, na suki ko dati ng coffee. After 1 year siguro mahigit, nag-member siya, tapos nag-member yung asawa niya. Sobrang blessed ako kasi kahit yung nangyari ngayon sa mundo na yung pandemic, tuloy-tuloy yung team ko na hindi talaga yung minor meron naman yung medyo humina kasi hindi naman araw-araw yung Pasko, pero dapat consistent ka. Kung ano yung effort mo nung una, ganun din yung effort na ibibigay mo ngayon. Kahit na, syempre, mas dapat dudubluhin pa natin yung effort natin ngayon kasi maraming nangyari. So, ano ba yung sekreto? Kasi di ba, August ako naging double diamond. September, muntik na akong ma-triple. Kasi pag triple, makuha mo yung triple diamond na rank kapag may 100 volumes ka, 100,000 volumes ka per leg. So, ang nangyari sa akin, 110,000 na dun sa kabila 93,000 na. So, sabi ko, pwede bang ilipat na lang? Sabi ko, para maging triple na. Kasi gustong-gusto ko yung pumuntang Bahamas. Kasi yun ang parang reward ni Valentos. Ang Valentos, ganon siya generous, na talagang kung ano yung ibibigay mong effort, yan yung ibabalik sa'yo. So, yun nga, one day na lang, ganun yung volumes ko. So, hindi nangyari. So, hindi ako nawala ng pag-asa. Sabi ko, meron pa, marami pang mga buwan na tapos November, nanganak ako, akala ko yung team ko, mapapabayaan ko. Pero hindi, mas lalo pa akong nagpursige na kahit nagpapadede, nagme-message, nagtatawag ako sa mga IRs ko kasi that time medyo may mga pagsubok din that time na dinaanan, halos lahat tayo kasi by October, November, yun yung nagpalit ng formula. Yun yung naging Dynamine, yung old coffee tapos naging Dynamine. So nag-a-adjust ulit yung team. Ang maganda lang kasi dito sa Valentos, hindi ka lang kukuha ng support, hindi ka lang makakapagkuha ng support doon sa team mo. Pwede ka doon sa lahat open eh. Kahit ibang team, pwede mo siyang hinga ng advice or pwedeng humingi ng tulong sa iyo. Marami akong adapted teams nga eh na Madel, ganyan kasi ako yung medyo dito sa Pilipinas, medyo parang kabisado yung takbo ng mga shipments, mga mark-paid na yan. So may mga adapted team ako na Europe, sa iba't ibang country, okay lang kasi yun family tayo dito sa Valentos pag may mag-invite ng webinar, mag-guest ka, kakatanong ko kay Ma'am Rose kung sinong upline niya. Kanina lang, di ba, Ma'am Rose? Sinong upline mo, Ma'am Rose? Sabi ko ganun sa kanya. So, yun willing tayong tumulong, willing tayong mag-share kung ano man yung maitulong natin sa iba't ibang team. Ano pa yung mga kadalasan tinatanong, paano ko nakuha yung rank? Andito lang sa Pilipinas, medyo mahirap. Hindi katulad doon sa abroad, halos lahat may credit card, kaskas dyan. So dito sa Pilipinas, yung finocus ko talaga na magiging yung ka-business partner ko, hindi naman yung mayayaman. Kasi, di ba, yun, ang inaano ko yung mga OFW. Kasi sila yung may parang talaga parang may heart na parang magpursige. Sila yung gusto kong mag-for good na, gusto kong mabago yung buhay ko. Katulad, kasi ako noon before nag-Valentos, nagre-ready na ako ng mga papeles ko, puntang abroad. So, iiwan ko na naman yung mga anak ko. Malalayo na naman ako sa mga anak ko. Pero thank God, dumating yung Valentos sa buhay ko. Hindi na ako tumuloy na pumuntang abroad. So yung 2 anak ko, nadagdagan pa, naging 3. Ito yung bunso ko na Valentos baby kasi sobrang sobrang may problem ako sa matres. So yung coffee talaga yung nakakatulong. Pagkatapos kong maging sexy, yun, nabuo si Vale. Kaya itong second picture ko third, fourth picture ko, yan yung latest ngayon. So yung second yung second Valentos journey ko.
Okay, Madel.
Ano makikita nila na yung company nagwo-work? Paano makikita, paano nila malalaman yung company na may magandang idudulot sa buhay mo kung hindi mo i-share? Kung itatago mo lang kung ano. Kaya pag may
Okay. Hello. Si Madel ba ang may problem or ako?
I think sa kanya.
Yeah, okay. So
Nawala siya.
baka mahina ang
Baka pasok siya.
Nawala si Madel. Yes, okay. So, we heard from Madel, no? So, ang kagandahan dito sa business na ito, kasi kahit na yan, buntis, nasa bahay ka lang, ang business mo ay pwede mong palaguin at hindi ka lang confined sa isang lugar. You can, at the comfort of your home, with only cell phone, and kung may internet ka, your market, your business
Hello?
partners is international.
Hello?
Yan. Okay, Madel, welcome back.
Ay, nako. Yung yung phone ko na nakadata, tinakbo ng anak ko. Hindi na na-connect dito sa laptop. Diyos ko, Lord. Sorry. Bigla akong nawala. Tapos parang nataranta ako. Paano ko ba ibalik? Ayun. Oh, doble na yung, eto na.
Ayan. Nakamute dapat yung isang cellphone para hindi ka mag-echo.
Okay na?
Yan. Okay na.
Sorry. Biglang nawala kasi yung anak ko. Tinakbo yung isang cellphone ko. Andun nakadata ako kasi mahina yung wifi kapag ganitong oras.
Sorry, walang
So,
signal.
so gusto ko lang i-inspire din yung mga gaya ko na ako noon talagang walang-wala, credit card nga lang din yung puhunan para magsimula dito sa Valentos. Kung ano ba yung kadalasan na alibay or reason sa ating mga prospect bakit ayaw mag-join, or unang sinasabi nila walang time. Pero kapag nag-CR ka, pwede kang mag-cellphone doon sa CR. Habang nagsi-CR, pwede kang habang naliligo, nag-webinar. Make sure lang na i-off yung camera kasi baka naman makita yung kung ano na dyan. So, lahat nagagawa ng paraan. Walang taong walang time. Kasi kaya nga nating mang-chismis mang-sagap ng chismis sa Facebook. Ito pa kaya nakikita? Ito pa kaya yung ito pa kaya na may chance na mabago yung buhay ng family mo, ma-improve yung life, yung buhay nyo. So, ganun. Kahit hindi naman sa every hour ka magpo-post. Bigyan mo lang ng kahit 1 hour time na si Valentos, 1 hour para mag-reply ng mga chats. Ganun lang. Then, walang puhunan. So, bakit naman pag fiesta, inuutangan pa para makapaghanda, pag birthday, nakakautang. So pwede tayong umutang, hindi ko naman tinuturuan na mangutang kayo para mag-members dito, pero kapag makautang tapos pag kumita na dito sa Valentos, you have to manage your financial para hindi naman yung pagkatapos mong utang ulit. Hindi. Pag kumita ka, bayaran mo yung utang mo, yung kita mo, gawin mo yun ang puhunan, parang rolling off, ganun yung ginawa ko Pagkatapos kong magbayad doon sa bangko, yung 20,000 ko, pinagdagdagan ko lang sa asawa ko, tapos minember ko siya, sabi ko, hindi na ako nagpaalam sa kanya na mag-member. Sinabi ko, kasi yun magpapaalam mo, yun ang isa pang alibay na sinasabi ng mga prospect natin, magpapaalam muna ako sa asawa ko. Sabi ganun. Ako, hindi na ako nagpaalam. Sabi ko, mag-member ako sa Valentos. Hindi ako nagpaalam, pero nagsabi lang ako. Parang decision ko na ganun. Kung hindi ako nag-member sa Valentos, edi wala na, nandun na ako sa abroad ngayon. So, ganun lang, continue to share our yung products natin, yung opportunity. May hindi naman sa agad-agad na makapag-invite tayo mag-yes agad. Meron talaga yung mga taong hesitant pa na mag-join dito sa business kasi networking, nega-nega, kasi ayun nga upline lang ang yumayaman. Salamat naman ngayon. Hindi naman sa mayaman na ako, pero dahil sa Valentos nakapag-invest ako ng mga properties. Dati credit card lang, utang lang ang puhunan. Ngayon nakapag-invest na ako, nakapagpagawa na kami ng bahay, dahil yun sa Valentos. Wala pang 2 years sa Valentos, pero marami nang nagbago sa buhay namin. And nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga upline ko na walang sawang sumusuporta, sa mga business partners ko, meron akong sa Tem Cebu nga mga Ungo Sisters, sila Felby, Gina, Janice, marami akong mga ka-team dito, sila Che, andito din sila Love, in-invite ko talaga sila dito. Sabi ko magigest ako doon sa kabila, pero hindi ko alam kung sino yung parang uplines, ganyan. So ganun talaga eh. We help each other dito sa Valentos kung ano. So thank you Ma'am Rose sa pag-invite sa akin. Medyo ako kasi parang naano yung utak ko. Nandun yung anak ko nakaiyak-iyak eh. Oo. Thank you Ma'am Rose sa pag-invite sa akin. Ma'am Jusel. And salamat sa pakikinig. Salamat sa lahat.
Okay.
Yun lang po.
Yes, thank you, Madel. So, very encouraging ang yung mga shinare, yung mga naging maraming pointers to help yung mga new and upcoming mga customers and even IR. Ngayon, pinapakita lang po talaga dito, no? So, you're from another team, parang bago lang tayo nagkakilala dito through Messenger. Pero yun nga pong binanggit ko kanina, the sixth element na meron sa company is the culture. Hindi tayo nagsasapawan po dito, nagtutulungan po tayo. And yun nga po ang nakakatuwa eh. Walang mataas, walang mababa, walang maere, ika nga. Pero nagtutulungan po tayo. And we kumbaga what we know, we share. Yung mga knowledge, yung mga style katulad niyan, yung mga the ins and outs ng kaparaanan dito sa Pilipinas, sila credit card tayo, pila-pila.
Pila-pila, iyak-iyak dun sa bangko, nagmamakaawa.
Follow up sa
Yes, smart paid.
Pero yun nga po eh, we get to learn from other team, from other members, from other upline, downline, sideline. Pero ang ganda, nakakatuwa kasi nagkakatulungan and we are doing our business purely online. Dito tayo the training is free. Hindi kailangan na magbayad or pumunta sa whatever site. But yun nga po, and despite what is happening present, and with the new strain ng mga virus, we don't know what's gonna happen in a few days. 2021 na! And so many things happened in 2020. Marami pa rin po tayong kailangan ipagpasalamat. Maraming nangyari, maraming challenges. But then again, ang kagandahan nga po, I love the name of the company. Valentus, we prevail. And sa lahat ng mga challenges, God is telling us that we can overcome, we are overcomers, and we can prevail for as long as we put our trust in the company, the CEO, the system, at nagtutulungan po tayo dito. Okay? So, I just want to end na let us keep on, be hopeful for 2021. Marami pa, ngayon pa lang, let us both reflect on what happened and let us start our goal, make our goals. Kumbaga, kung lakihan pa natin yung pangarap natin, hindi lang para sa sarili natin, kundi para sa mga minamahal natin sa buhay, pati yung mga tao na gusto natin tulungan. God place us in a place where we can help tayo ay maging instrumento ng Panginoon para maka-reach out po sa ibang nangangailangan. Na makita nila yung naging Valentos journey natin. And hindi lang po journey, our results are so amazing. The products are talagang wow. You cannot refute the results. Kaya nga po, we are the product of our products. At kahit ano pang mga nega-nega dyan, we will stand our ground dahil tayo mismo naranasan po natin. And we just want to continue on sharing to other people. Who knows, those who are negative before will be positive in a few months. Makikita nila that they do need the products that we have. Okay, so thank you everyone sa mga nandito po and dun sa mga nakapakinig sa Facebook Live. And we here at Valentus, we just want to say and share with you our journey, and we are opening our extending our invitation to you if you're looking for a business that you want to join in or contemplating now or in the next in 2021. Feel free to reach out to us. And yung mga nandito sa Zoom, balikan nyo po yung mga nag-invite po sa inyo. This is the right time. Huwag na po tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Kasi kung may pangarap ka, maaabot mo. It's just that you have to be confident. Magtiwala ka dun sa taong tumulong sa'yo at handang tulungan ka rin. Okay, with that, I'm going to end the recording. And I just want to say, everyone, again, let us be hopeful and continue to be hopeful in 2021. Okay, with that, Happy New Year. Ito na pagkakataon ko all over the world. In a few days, Happy New Year, Blessed New Year, Peaceful New Year, Hopeful New Year. Let us continue to share the good news that we have. Okay? Maraming salamat po muli, and thank you again, Ate Tess and Madel. Be seeing you again in the future webinar. Bye, everyone!